Hey everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all friends YouTube community will be fine and doing well, great. May Allah bless you. So first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here friends, I'm providing latest whimsical and trendy designs of garden rooftop. Here are some more ideas to elevate your rooftop gardens. String lights, fairy lights, or solar lanterns can create a magical ambience in the evenings. You can also incorporate bath lights to illuminate walkways or highlight specific features. Rooftop gardens are a wonderful way to transform your unused rooftop space into a beautiful and functional urban oasis. Do you want to twinkle retreat, a vibrant pollinator heaven, or an edible garden? Once you know the purpose of your rooftop garden, you can choose plants, furniture, and decorations that complement your theme. Plot power, because weight is a major consideration on rooftops. Choose lightweight planters made from fiberglass, recycled plastic, or felt. Vertical gardening using hanging planters or wall planters is a great way to maximize space. Add comfortable sitting, string lights, and an outdoor rug to create an inviting space for relax and enjoy the view. Invest in drip irrigation system to conserve water and ensure your plants get the moisture they need. Make sure your rooftop can export the weight of your garden and install railings around the perimeter for safety. A small fountain or a waterfall can add a soothing sound element and create a visual focal point. Just be sure to choose a water feature that is lightweight and water efficient. If your rooftop has enough space, consider creating different levels using raised garden beds or tied planters. This will add visual interest and allow you to grow a wider variety of plants. Vertical gardens are a great way to add greenery to your rooftop and create a cool, refreshing atmosphere. Choose drought resistant vines or cascading plants for your living wall. Enjoy your cozy evening on your rooftop with a fire pit or fireplace. This is a great option for cooler climates or for extending the usability for your rooftop garden into the fall. So guys, it's a humble request, please subscribe my channel. After subscribing my channel, you will receive latest trending updates. Be connected with me. I will meet you in my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.